It is here, friends. I cannot believe it. This is the Tinnitus Relief Journal. It is a labor of love. As some of you know, I'm an audiologist and a tinnitus specialist. I've been working with tinnitus patients since 2007. Reducing the impact tinnitus is having on their life is my passion, it's my jam, it really fills my cup. And one of the resources I've been using with my patients in clinic is a 30-day journal. It helps to keep important things top of mind, it helps them do some body reset techniques, and it helps to reduce the impact tinnitus is having on their life. And I just went ahead and reformatted it into a book. So we've got, of course, a little welcome letter and an explanation on how to use the journal, right? And some support tools. And so I'm so excited, and I appreciate all the love that you guys have given me these past couple of years. And so if you are interested in this journal, please check out the link in my bio. All right, friends, bye-bye.